Hello, everybody. My name is Kackley, and I'm a cadet here over at the Citadel. I'm a business major, and today I'm reading to you guys the family book. You see it? Sometimes families are big. Sometimes families are big. Sometimes families are small. Sometimes families are the same color, and some families are different colors. All families like to hug each other. Some families live near each other, and some families live far from each other. Some families look alike, and some families look like some families look like their pets. All families are sad when they lose someone they love. The goldfish, how sad he is. Some families have a stepmom or stepdad, and stepsister or stepbrother. And some families even adopt children. Some families have two moms or two dads, and some families have one parent instead of two. All families like to celebrate special days together. Some families eat the same thing, and some families eat different things. Some families like to be quiet. Some families like to be noisy, make lots of noise. The dogs howling at night. Some families like to be clean, take baths, and some families like to be messy and just roll around in the mud. Some families live in a house by themselves, and some families share a house with other families. All families can help each other be strong. See how everybody's helping each other? There are lots of different ways to be a family. Your family is special no matter what kind it is. Love, Todd. Todd's the author. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, it's Hunter Cackley. I'm from the Citadel. I hope you guys have a great day.